All right. So this is a box. Let's check out stuff on this. Yeah. Check out what's inside the box. All right. Okay, something beautiful is here. He's so pretty. He's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Everything I ever could have wanted and more. It's Kaleidoscope. He's so much better in person. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it unbuttons. And you could take off his... Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Okay. And then I could... Oh my gosh, and you could put it right back on. Like no one's business. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. He's so cute. Oh man. And she really sewed this all together. So I got this from someone on Etsy. I will provide the link. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Take his trash.
Kaleidoscope, man. This really is the kaleidoscope we've always wanted. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.